step into the 2001 Ford Windstar Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include external temperature display, side airbag, full third-row seat, leather seat upholstery, heated driver mirror, independent front suspension classification, variable intermittent front wipers, remote, and wheel width 6.5. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.